Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. It seems to be an easy one, so let's proceed further. So I'll begin with obviously giving the background, which is going to be these are irrelevant, and so the background is going to be that light yellow color paste. Okay, and I'll also do one thing, position fixed. Okay, now the next thing I'll do is A, B. Okay, so A will be used to create this, the curved, like, I don't know what to call it. I'll make the circle using the B and rest all with A. So A, and it will have a background color which will be different, which is this dark yellow one, and now the width is going to be something like, I'll give it a width of 50 and a height of 150. My bad, it's too less. 300, 100, and the difference is going to be like, I'll use margin 100. No, it wouldn't be. Okay, for now I'm giving 100. So this will be 50, 51, 52. Yeah. So the width is going to be 150. 20. Yeah, 120. And now let's see how far it goes. So I can straight away decrease 100 from it. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 29, 28. Yeah. So maybe I can do this. If I put it at 0, no, minus 10, then what is the value we need? 80, 82. Yeah. So now we can give a border radius, which I'll give of, let's say, if its width is 120, then we'll give 60 pixels. Yeah, 60 pixels. Now I'll just add 60 here, so it will be 242 minus 70. Yeah. So now I'll use box shadow. Box shadow 64Q. Okay, so it will be 74, 84, 94, 104, 14, 15, okay, 134, 144, and 165, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, and now we'll go downwards. So 104. Now I'll give it the color. So this maybe 195 or 3, 2. Yeah, so we have made both of these. Now the next is using the B to create those circles. And those circles will be, I think, of width 100 and height 100. And they'll have a border radius of 50%. Okay, it will be smaller, so maybe 80. Margin is going to be 100. 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. What is 0? Okay, so -10. I know it is a little bit confusing, not much, I'd say. 19, 18, 17, 16. 20 looks perfect, I'd say. 141, 142. Okay, now next thing we'll do is again box shadow, and the box shadow is going to be like almost the same as given there, 169 and 192Q. So 102, 92, 82, 72, 62. Now we'll change the color. This one, almost there. 61, 63. Now let's submit it. It is a 99.9% match. It should have been 101. Let's see what the problem could be. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.